Hey, what's up, guys? Cliff and
Sean
from Trail Grid Pro. We got two beautiful Land Cruisers back here in the shop. We got our Land Cruiser over here, 2024 first edition, and then we got another 2024 first edition over here on our right. It's a customer's car, and Sean this week installed the new to us Beat Sonic ENA-3T3 power-packed amplifier, line driver, whatever you want to call it, into this JBL amplified Toyota Land Cruiser, and the results were pretty awesome.
Pretty crazy.
Yeah,
you know,
yeah.
I really wasn't expecting the level that I got.
Yeah, exactly. So Sean installed it. He walked into my office, had this big smile on his face, and says, "You got to come back and listen to this." So I came to the back and I listened to it, and I was amazed. It sounds more robust, obviously louder,
More bass.
Yeah, more bass for nominal price.
Very, very little in the grand scheme of things.
So when you get a Toyota Land Cruiser 2024, 2025, and you opt for the JBL amplified system, well, you paid some money for that, right?
You did.
So you may not want to just rip it out right away and, you know, install this, install that. But if you want more, this is the solution. You get to keep all the factory components, and you get louder, more bass. Without further ado, what we're going to do is we're going to do a little test today. So we haven't done anything to our Land Cruiser. So we have not installed it. Yeah,
literally nothing.
We have not installed it. It's got the base JBL system. We're going to use a decibel meter. We're going to use the same volume level, the same song in both Land Cruisers, and test the decibel level. Also, we'll give you our thoughts as we listen to them. So let's get that test going. All right, we're going to put this song on. It's one of our Trail Grid branded songs, you know, obviously for royalty-free purposes. So we're going to put it at volume 40. All right, we're at 40.
So we're hovering around 74.
Put it at the max. Put it at the max. Okay, so
80.
It was like 80.
80.1 until we started talking and spiked it a little bit, but
80.1
at 40, playing the first 40 seconds of that song.
Okay, cool. Let's get in the other vehicle. We're gonna go give it a test.
Let's do it.
Okay, we're in the Beat Sonic
Equipped
line driver JBL amplified system. We're gonna put on the same song here. Bear with me. The first 40 seconds. Let's put it up to volume 40. All right, there you go. You know, we can sit here and say, oh, that's way louder, right? Mm-hmm. Now we have proof.
Visual proof. Proof. This one was an 86, so 5 decibels louder, which is
significant.
Incredible.
Yeah, 5 decibels louder, 81 stock JBL amplified system. Add the Beat Sonic line driver, 86 dB. You know, obviously there's more technical tests than this. We're just kind of holding it in the middle of the vehicle, but 86 dB versus 81, no brainer. You know, when I sit here and think about like what it feels like to me is it just feels more all around me, right?
It feels more alive.
Yeah.
Now, the one thing you've always complained about your Land Cruisers is like, you say, doesn't get loud enough, doesn't get loud enough, doesn't get loud enough. Is this loud enough?
Right. Oh yeah, this is loud enough,
exactly.
For sure. So especially the complaint is with the windows down. With the windows down, you can't hear anything. So with this, I'm at 40. There's 60 more volume levels to go, and that is way that's about as loud as the max volume at 60 in the JBL stock equipped Land Cruiser. So I'm super pumped about this. Like I said, when you showed me, I was like, man, this is killer. So 86 versus 81 dB, it's a no-brainer.
Absolutely.
At a frankly nominal cost to be louder and be better.
And the really cool thing about this is it's super duper easy to install.
Yeah.
It literally goes right behind the head unit.
Yep.
Plug and play. You don't really have to do any crazy running of wires. It just sits back there.
Yep. You've mounted it all back there.
It's mounted back there.
Well, I think it's worth doing an installation video here in the near future just to, show how we did that. But we were so pumped about the results that's like we couldn't help, now that we had this capability of one with it and one without it, like, hey, let's shoot this video and get some proof. 81 versus 86 dB, no brainer. The ENA-3T3, pick it up, get it for your Land Cruiser, Tacoma, whatever, and it's going to enhance that stock system for, frankly, a bargain.
Mm-hmm.
All right,
Absolutely.
man. Cool. Thanks, brother.
Cool.
Appreciate it.